Today I am going to share with you a very special Japanese recipe for skin whitening, a remedy that is believed to lighten the skin tone up to 10 degrees if used regularly. This is a traditional beauty secret that many women follow to achieve that bright, glowing, porcelain-like skin that Japanese women are so well known for. The star of today's recipe is a turnip mask for skin whitening. Now you might be surprised because turnip is usually thought of as a vegetable for soups and meals, but in beauty care, it has been a hidden gem for centuries. So let's begin. We will need 1 fresh white turnip. Make sure to choose a turnip that is firm, clean, and fresh, because the quality of the ingredient really makes a difference in the effectiveness of the mask. First, we peel the turnip carefully to remove the outer layer. The peel sometimes carries dirt or pesticides, so this step is important to keep the mask clean and safe for your skin. We grate the turnip using a grater. This process helps release the juice and nutrients stored inside the turnip. The finer you grate it, the easier it becomes to extract all its goodness. Now let's talk about the benefits of the turnip mask. Turnips are loaded with generous amounts of antioxidants, and these antioxidants help protect your skin by fighting off harmful free radicals. Just like antioxidants protect your body from diseases, they also help your skin stay youthful and healthy. In addition, turnips are very high in vitamin A content. Vitamin A is essential for repairing damaged skin tissues, reducing blemishes, and giving your skin a smoother and fresher look. It is a must-have vitamin for skin that looks young and radiant. Once we grate the turnip, we extract the water from it. This juice is very powerful and forms the base of our mask. To this juice, we add a spoonful of cornstarch. Cornstarch may sound like a simple kitchen ingredient, but it is loaded with multiple essential properties that help keep your skin healthy, radiant, and beautiful. Cornstarch also contains antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are excellent for fighting free radicals, which are one of the main causes of early aging. They help delay the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness, keeping your skin looking smooth for longer. We mix this combination well until the cornstarch blends nicely with the turnip water. After mixing, we place the mixture on low heat. This step is very important. You must stir it continuously without stopping to avoid lumps and to get a smooth paste. Slowly, it will start to thicken and turn into a beautiful creamy texture. Once we achieve that creamy consistency, it's time to add the next magical ingredient: natural yogurt. Yogurt is not just good for digestion, it is a fantastic skincare ingredient. It is a rich source of proteins and fats, which gives it a naturally silky and soothing texture. We add 1 spoonful of yogurt to the creamy mixture. Yogurt has natural brightening properties, so it helps to lighten the skin and reduce dullness. It also supports skin elasticity, which means it helps your skin stay firm, smooth, and youthful. Again, we mix everything well. We will add another amazing ingredient, a spoonful of powdered milk. Powdered milk contains lactic acid, which is known to be a gentle yet effective acne-preventing agent. It also helps exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing new, brighter skin underneath. Powdered milk is also famous for boosting collagen production and reducing visible signs of aging such as sagging skin and wrinkles. Not only that, but it also works to lighten dark spots and pigmentation, giving the skin a more even tone. We mix this well again until everything is blended together into a smooth, creamy mixture. To enhance the mask even further, we add just a few drops of essential oil. You can use oils like lavender, tea tree, or rose oil depending on your skin type. This not only gives the mask a soothing fragrance, but also adds more skin benefits. After adding the essential oil, we mix it thoroughly. Now, we can store this creamy mask in a small jar. Always use a clean, airtight jar to keep the mask fresh. We then place the jar in the fridge. Storing it in a cool environment keeps the ingredients active and prevents spoilage. This mask can stay valid and effective for up to 7 days, so you can use it multiple times in a week. When you're ready to use it, simply apply the mask to clean skin. It can be applied on the face or even on the body wherever you want to lighten or brighten the skin tone. Leave it on the skin for about 20 minutes. During this time, the nutrients deeply penetrate your skin, nourishing it and working on dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven tone. For best results, repeat this treatment 2 times a week. Consistency is key in natural remedies. Over time, you will start noticing a visible transformation in your skin tone and texture. The result is truly remarkable. A snow-white complexion, just like the flawless skin of Japanese women. That is why this mask is often referred to as a beauty secret from Japan. After washing off the mask, don't forget an important step. Apply a moisturizer of your choice. This locks in the hydration and keeps your skin soft and smooth. And finally, if you enjoyed this video and found this recipe helpful, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and motivates me to share more natural beauty secrets with you. This was the best turnip mask for glowing, radiant, and beautiful skin.